Hey Math Aces! Welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to evaluate this expression negative 3g plus 7h using the values that we've been given. So the first thing we'll do is rewrite this expression. An extra step that I like to take is to put each of my variables inside of parentheses. Next, I'm going to substitute the values that we were given into our expression wherever we see their variables. So wherever I see g, I'll write 9, and wherever I see h, I'll write 4. So negative 3, parentheses, so g is equal to 9, so I'm going to put a 9 instead of g, plus 7, parentheses, which means times, h, which is 4, close parentheses. Now that my expression is just numbers and there are multiple operations to do, I'll use the order of operations, more commonly known as PEMDAS. The P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, but what they're referring to is when you have parentheses with work inside of them to do. Since there's no work to do inside of the parentheses that we have, we're done with step 1. Step 2 is to evaluate any exponents we have. This expression doesn't have any exponents at all, so we're through with step 2. Now let's move on to step number 3, which is multiply or divide from left to right, whichever comes first. Now in this expression, I see multiplication twice. But be careful, most students don't see it. Whenever you have numbers touching parentheses, that indicates multiplication. So we'll do negative 3 times positive 9, which is equal to negative 27. And here, this 7 is touching these parentheses here, which means this is going to be 7 times 4, which is equal to positive 28. Next, we'll bring down any signs or any values we haven't used. We've already used negative 3 and 9 to get negative 27, but we haven't used this plus sign. And we've already used this 7 and this 4 to give us 28. So we're done with that. And is there any more multiplication or division to do? Nope. So bye-bye step 3. And now we're on step 4, which is addition or subtraction from left to right. This is pretty straightforward because all we have is addition to do. And we've got negative 27 plus positive 28. That's like saying I have $28 because it's positive, but I'm losing 27 of those dollars because it's a negative, and negatives represent losses. And what would that be? Well, that would be 1. And remember, it's positive 1 because I have more than I lose. So let's write the number 1 directly under these numbers. And since there's no more operations to do, we're done with step 4. That means our final answer is positive 1.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.